उर्दू में जैसे कहते हैं पेशावर और पख्तों की वर्तवाई सब दबुलनो पे खबर मनम खस्ता खस्ता खारून अश्तदी मनम खस्ता खस्ता खारून अश्तदी दा पटोलो मान दे वर्दे कला और जी दाल जी खपल खुद नखपल मजे वो पे खबर दे कला तासु टोलो लस्तड़ी मशी को अस्सलामु अलैकुम बखैर आगले Today, the topic of my speech is Peshawar, the best city. Peshawar is the capital of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and a city of proud Pashtun. Peshawar is called the city of flower. In 1980, we were Peshawar home for many Afghani. The language of majority people in Peshawar is Pashto. Pukhtun banayam chi pata mane pukhto wanakam. Pukhtun banayam chi pata mane pukhto wanakam. Muhu manzalam niyatuna pa pakhto kidar. Pashtun men wear kameez partu. Their culture dance is Atan dance and Khatak dance. Traditional music of Peshawar is tabla, rabab, mange and so on. Famous poet of Peshawar is Rahman Baba Khushal Khan Khatak. The most famous bazaar of Peshawar is Karkhana Market Kesafani Bazaar. Famous food of Peshawar is chapli kebab and karai. Traditional drink of Peshawar is Khewa Sarada Lache. Namak Mandi Tikka is very famous in Peshawar. You have never eaten somewhere else as a tikka of Peshawar. Akhir ko Peshawar dekana. Famous places of Peshawar are Peshawar Museum, Fort Balaisar, Chowki Yadgar, Khyber Pass, Baba Khyber and so on. I will end off my speech in this few words. Kada loge o kada shor adak de, kada loge o kada shor adak de, zamuz di kar de kana, Peshawar ko Peshawar de kana. Thank you so much.